Are you looking for the best portable bathtub in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best portable bathtub that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At number 5, KELIXU Portable Foldable Bathtub. The portable bathtub comes with a 3-layer insulation body. Hence, the product is durable and long-lasting. Moreover, it makes the installation time up to 120 minutes. This portable bathtub comes with size of 43 by 20 by 25 inches. Therefore, it is perfect and spacious. It is also compact and portable. Thus, the bathtub is easy to store and move from one place to the other. This portable has a stable operation. Furthermore, the bathtub uses a unique high-technology frame system. Thus, reduces balancing of loads as well as wear and tear. This portable bathtub has an inner space enough to fit a sitting adult. In addition, it is ready to use and does not require inflation. Lastly, the bathtub is perfect for indoors and outdoors. At number 4, FlySkip Adult Inflatable Bathtub. Using this portable bathtub will give quality performance. It is perfect for anyone who is always on the go. Moreover, it uses thickened PVC environment-friendly materials. Thus, it is safe and chemical-free. In addition, this product comes with an intimate inner cup holder. Hence, it is perfect for luxury time and intimate baths. Furthermore, it comes with an electric pump. With this, it is energy efficient. The bathtub comes in a size of 70 by 55 by 23 inches. Thus, it is spacious enough to hold couples. It also has an ergonomic design. Additionally, the bathtub has very durable material. Thus, it prevents leakage, spilling, and deformation. Furthermore, the bathtub has a thickened PVC material composition. With this, the product is high-temperature resistant and non-deformable. At number 3, WWEYLAN Tech Large Foldable Bathtub. The portable bathtub has a high-quality plastic material. It is simple and easy to use. Furthermore, it is compact and portable. In fact, this bathtub has a size of only 37 by 23 by 4 inches. Moreover, it is easy to use. It is great for parents, toddlers, and kids. The portable bathtub is safe and free from harmful chemicals. Furthermore, it has TPE and PP material composition. Also, it is BPA-free. Thus, it is safe and free from harmful chemicals. In addition, the product comes with a chest-deep water container. The bathtub has a small drainage underneath for easy and fast draining. Plus, the durable bathtub guarantees to save more time and space. At number 2, Mommy's Helper Inflatable Bathtub. This portable bathtub is small and portable. Hence, it is a flexible and reliable product. Moreover, the bathtub has a 100% phthalate-free. Therefore, it is safe and friendly to the most delicate skin. The product has a certified high-quality material. With this, you have a durable and long-lasting bathtub. Also, this portable bathtub is perfect babies. The bathtub has a saddle horn on its insides. Furthermore, the bathtub allows maximum protection. Hence, it will prevent your baby from sliding to the bottom. The bathtub is also inflatable. It also has a thermal material used. Therefore, the bathtub is good at maintaining water temperature. In addition, the portable bathtub has a large capacity. In fact, it is enough to fit a baby and be comfortable. At number 1, COZ Inflatable Adult Bathtub. This purchase includes a 63x33 by 25 inches spin bathtub. The bathtub comes with a lightweight material. Hence, it is easy to move around and store. Moreover, the bathtub has a high-density PVC material. Therefore, this product offers lifelong durability. This product has a balanced rubber footing. With this, the bathtub stays in place while doing its operation. The bathtub has spa-quality comfort. It is perfect for small apartments, dorms, and any place. Furthermore, it comes with an electric pump on purchase. Thus, it is easy to set up and inflate. The portable bathtub has a gravity drainage. Hence, this product is also easy to drain and store away. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.